At Cryoport, we're taking risk mitigation to the next level. We've developed the industry's first and only fully validated cleaning methodology, Veri-Clean, for one reason: to protect your patient's valuable commodities. Veri-Clean, our leading-edge cleaning program, sanitizes all cryo shippers and stainless steel accessories. Our proprietary cleaning process eliminates biomolecules and microorganisms. The result? A greater than 6-log reduction in environmental contaminants. Validated by an accredited laboratory, Veri-Clean is just one example of Cryoport's continuing dedication to risk mitigation, traceability, and efficiency. A family is waiting. For the care and transfer of your patient's most precious cargo, trust Cryoport.